Hey folks, look at SharperTrades. The S&P 500 going higher today. The SPY hit 607.82. The resistance remains 609. All-time high 613 and 620. Support at the moment 603. 50 SMA, and then further down 586. Earnings. This is a company report earning. ALLY. Big volume. Keep an eye on this one. Breakout of the trend line. Did a pullback retest. I like this consolidation above the 200 SMA and this double support 39 and the 200 SMA. Those are the levels to watch as price needs to remain above it. Eventually, if he's able to move past the high at 41.50, I'm looking for 43, 46, and 48. Looks good. RR swing idea. Made a move today and then backed off. Went to almost 4 and then did a pullback, testing again the ETMA. The technical remain bullish. I'm going to move this trend line right there a little bit. And we'll include, let's see what this looks like. Yeah, we'll include today high. Breakout above today high and 4. We're looking for 460, 580, and 750. Support 280. Volatile. Let's see. TDY. TDY did a breakout following earnings and also pullback got bounce. Positive looking. 493. It's holding. All-time high breakout. I'm looking for 520. 570, 540, and 570. The low and the ETMA are the support. And finally, TEM. Discussed yesterday and today in the trading room. Push through this lateral resistance and a bundle of trend lines. And the 50 SMA looks good. Big volume. I'm looking for 55, 62, and 70. Support is the 50 SMA.
So how do we turn knowledge into actual income with minimal risk? It's simple. I offer the Basic Plus Swing Alert for just $1 for the first month. The Basic Plus Swing Alert sends real-time trades 2-3 times a week via text or email. I send you updates as price reaches targets and we raise protective stop levels, all in real time. If you're looking for an even better opportunity, check out the Pro package. It includes over 15 technical courses and access to all my trading services, a package worth almost $3,000 available for just $19 for the first month. Signing up is easy. Visit SharperTrades.com, go to the product section and choose the package that suits you. Then use the provided coupon code to unlock the Basic Plus Swing Alert for only $1 or the incredible Pro package for just $19 for the first month. I can't wait to welcome you to the community. Take the first step toward financial success. See you over at SharperTrades.com. SharperTrades, where knowledge becomes income. Don't miss out. Join us today.